Rotel dip for the first time. I'm excited because I've been wanting some Rotel dip. And I said, why not try to make it? I looked at a video, but it's pretty easy. So what I have, I'm gonna show y'all. Turn around. What I have here is some Velveeta Original. Then I have 2 cans of the original, diced tomatoes and green chilies for the Rotel. You need that. That's the star ingredient. Then I have, it's so puffed because I had it defrosting, but I have some ground turkey. Love it. Got my crock pot. Gotta have it. Skillet because you need that to brown your meat. And then I have my seasonings. Got the salt. Got the Creole. I don't know why I want to say Cajun, but it's the Creole seasoning. Got my garlic. Got my garlic powder. Got my onion powder. And my black pepper. Okay. So yeah, that's basically all you need to make this meal. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and use this whole thing because I think I want it to be cheesy. Well, I do want it to be cheesy. Bang. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I already washed my hands, y'all. So pulling back the layers. Trying to open up to people. Corny, I know y'all, but like I said, it was in the microwave defrosting, so that's probably why. Okay. Why I was doing all that. So yeah, I'm just going to open my ground turkey. Ground turkey is good, y'all. Bump whoever says it's not. Ooh, because it is. It really is. Put it all in here. Ooh. Dang, I'm gonna have to rewash this thing. I'm gonna have to rewash it because this is what I'm supposed to be putting my cheese on. Let me wash my hand, y'all. Wash, because I gotta do it with my right hand. I can't do it with my left hand, or we might have some over seasoned meat. So ground turkey, I feel like you gotta season just a tad bit more because you know, but I just feel like you gotta season a little bit more to have the you know, the flavor that you want. So just using a little salt. I like to put them over here so I know what I use in that. And then my Creole. The Creole get you in trouble. You gotta use a minimum of stuff to freaking use that Creole. Yeah. So, my mom always talk how your meat smells if it's like this. That's how it's gonna be. Like that's how it's gonna turn out. So, I always smell it, and I always go back in for a second. Washing my hands off. And lightly for the second time, of course. Lightly, lightly, lightly. Go back in lightly. Just let your wrist do the talking, you know? Lightly, because, I don't know, it's something about that second one. And it smelled good the first time, y'all. Don't get me wrong, but I like that. I like that smell of pop, you know? It wasn't really popping. Yeah, my daughter is being so good right now. She's being awesome, my mommy does this. I thought she was gonna be all loud and stuff. So, that pepper. I told my boyfriend I was making this. He was like, ooh, can't wait to come home. Yes, honey, yes. Love it. Love it. Yeah, you want that that seasoning to hit you, to slap you in the face as soon as you smell it. You don't want to have to go digging for that smell. No, you want it to hit you. So yeah, that's that. Okay, y'all, next we're gonna chop this cheese up. Chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it up, chop it up. And I'm using a little cutting mat. I love these things. I get them from Dollar Tree, but I love them. They hold up very well. But whew, it's already whatchamacallit. So I'm just cutting this up. As a matter of fact, while I'm cutting this up, I'm gonna put this on so I can go ahead and get my meat rolling. Give it a little bit of oil, just a little bit, y'all, because just so like it won't stick to the pan. But so just like a little bit to cover your bottom, because this stuff produces its own oil. So I just do a little bit, and then I do it like this to cover the bottom of it, because you don't want it to stick to the bottom. And yeah, let that vibe out and get right, and then we're gonna put our meat in there. And as you cooking it, you wanna like chop it so it crumbles into small pieces, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm acting like I'm just giving y'all pointers of what I already know, but I definitely this is my first time doing this, but I know about, you know, ground beef already. I mean, ground turkey. Well, I know about ground beef too, because, you know, you gotta start from somewhere. I know a lot of y'all probably, you know, still do ground beef. I can make a meal. Oh, it's not that bad because it's already soft, y'all. Yeah, but I could eat a meal without having no meat. That's what I'm trying to say, y'all. I really could. Meat is not a factor to me. Like, people be like, ooh, where the meat at? I can't eat this. No. I can eat some rice and some peas. I can eat mashed potatoes and corn. I don't need no meat. Like, you know how families fight over the last piece of meat? I need that. No, that's not me. My boyfriend can always have the last piece of meat. Now, give me some seafood. Give me some fish, some salmon, some crab legs. Then we gonna fight, okay? Because you not taking the last one. So, yeah. I'm just slicing it like this, y'all. And then I'm gonna go back through them and cut them up in like little, like one more time or something. Or cut them in fours. That's what I'm gonna do. Cut them in fours so they're big and chunky, just like this, okay? And then when I cut them, I'm gonna let them vibe out to the side. Like this, if y'all like this video, if y'all know who I get it from when I say let it vibe out to the side. So yeah, so this is about this ready. When your oil get like when your oil gets, cause you know it's slow at first, but when your oil stop moving around the pan like that, girl, you better drop that meat in. You better drop that meat in, girl. You better drop it in, girl, cause that meat is ready. That meat is ready. I mean that oil. So yeah. I know y'all can't really see what's going on. So here you go, y'all. See how I should have showed y'all what the oil looked like beforehand. But yeah, you see how it creates its own oil. Anyways, when I find that I put too much oil, I find that I have to freaking take it off the eye, drain the oil, bring it back, because it's not cooking how I want it to cook. With ground turkey, you gotta like, I don't know why, but it wants to be together. But y'all got to separate. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is about done. I still see just a little bit more, you know, uncooked pieces. So we just want to continue to let this cook until it is fully cooked, of course. We don't want no salmonella. All right, y'all, so we're in the crock pot here, okay? First, what I'm gonna do is just transfer my meat, everything, even the oils, y'all, everything, okay? Oh. But yeah, everything, y'all. I hope this is enough meat. Oh, I hope this is enough meat, because I don't want it to be I don't want it to be too cheesy or it's over the meat. Alright, so after I do that, and I feel like it's going to be too cheesy. Yeah, I probably won't add all of that cheese. I think I'm going to add some cheese and then go back in it if I need more. And next one, I drained my tomatoes and stuff, so that's going in there. Okay, okay. Done with that. Okay, let's mix that all around. Go mix that all around. Okay, let's mix that all around. Alright. Okay, so mixing that. I'm gonna put my thing on. It's set low. Add my cheese. My chest, please. Okay. Yeah. Into like chunks. Like I had to slice this up because that was a little too big. And yeah, you're just cooking this until all of them. I mean, to your cheese. All of your cheese is You hear my daughter? Until all of your cheese is melted. And like I said, I don't think I'm gonna use all the cheese. But yeah, I'm gonna stop here, y'all. Let this vibe out. Come back, see how cheesy this is, and then if not, just a little bit left. Don't laugh, y'all, because it probably won't make a difference. But I'd rather, you know, add as needed. Because if I don't need this, this could be used for something else. I don't know. But something we put cheese in. Alright, just here to give y'all an update. So, it is melting pretty good. Just been stirring it up. Well, I just stirred it up, by the way.
I see you. Haha. Coming back from his migration.
Be smart, he'll stay away from here as long as he can.
This is the final product without me adding the other little bit of and I feel like it's cheesy, so I won't be adding that little bit. So put it on the plate and taste it. All right, we're gonna take a. Go ahead. Well, I ain't gotta show you eating if that's what you don't want. Honest opinion.
This is nasty. This is nasty. No, I'm saying this is good.
I know. Okay. It's good, good.